Never did make a video for the diff I put in this thing. Dana 44 Ultimate with 410 gears. Still got to figure out the harness part. Never did get around to that, but whatever. Old Man EMU shocks all around. The shocks they give with this kit didn't like this diff, but whatever. I made them work close enough. But yeah, that's don't mind the oil change. What is that? In around, by the time I got here, over in around 5,000 bucks. But comes with the axle shafts too, so that helps. Axle shafts, ball joints, everything except for the spindles out. So, yahoo!